everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for anyone interested in cryptocurrency, the infamous rug pull. So, let's get started. A rug pull is a type of scam in the crypto space where developers abandon a project and take off with investors' funds. Imagine you're at a party, and someone suddenly yanks the rug out from under you, leaving you flat on your back. That's what happens to investors in a rug pull. Essentially, the creators of a cryptocurrency or decentralized finance, DeFi project, create hype, attract investments, and then vanish, leaving investors with worthless tokens. So, how does this actually happen? Here's a step-by-step breakdown. 1. Create hype. Scammers create a new token and promote it heavily on social media, forums, and Telegram groups. 2. Launch the token. They launch the token on decentralized exchanges, often with no prior track record. 3. Pump and dump. The price skyrockets as investors buy in, often driven by FOMO, fear of missing out. 4. Rug pull. Finally, the developers withdraw all liquidity from the project, leaving investors holding worthless tokens. It's a fast and deceptive process, and many investors lose significant sums of money. Now let's talk about how you can spot a potential rug pull. Here are some red flags to watch out for. Lack of transparency. If the team behind the project is anonymous or has a questionable background, proceed with caution. Unrealistic promises. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Be wary of guaranteed returns. High marketing hype. If a project relies heavily on social media hype rather than solid fundamentals, it could be a red flag. Locked liquidity. Check if the liquidity is locked for a certain period. If it's not, the developers can easily pull out. Always do your research before investing. If you suspect that a rug pull is happening, here's what you should do. 1. Sell your tokens. ASAP. If you can still sell your tokens, do it immediately. 2. Report the project. Notify the relevant authorities or platforms. This can help prevent others from falling victim. 3. Spread awareness. Share your experience on social media and crypto forums. The more people know, the better. Remember, knowledge is power in the crypto space. Thanks for tuning in to today's video. If you found this information helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto insights. And if you ever encountered a rug pull, share your experiences in the comments below. Until next time, stay safe and keep investing wisely.